So this is White Horse Home Repair, showing you how you need to vacuum the water pan out, the drip pan, for removing that 40-gallon hot water heater. Just stick it in there and cut your wet dry back on. However, what you need to do is make sure that you don't have that blue filter on there. The blue filter's not on there. You just got the regular filter, not the blue. Don't have the blue on. That's for the dry. Okay, and you just close that back, so you're good to go. And you just vacuum the water out of there. Okay. That's it. And that's one part of it.